Corded stick vacuums have seen rising demand among homeowners who want consistent suction power without battery limitations. Their lightweight design and versatility make them ideal for daily cleaning of carpets, hardwood floors, and pet hair. This guide evaluates the best models based on suction strength, filtration system, build quality, maneuverability, attachments, and overall value. Whether for apartments or large homes, choosing the right corded stick vacuum ensures efficient and uninterrupted cleaning performance.
Product number 1. Shark HV343 AMZ Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum. The Shark HV343 AMZ Rocket is a lightweight yet powerful corded stick vacuum designed specifically for pet owners and multi-surface cleaning. Its standout feature is the self-cleaning brush roll, which actively removes hair wrap during operation, making it highly effective for homes with pets or long hair. The vacuum delivers consistent suction power thanks to its corded design, eliminating battery fade during long cleaning sessions. One of its biggest advantages is its versatility. It easily converts into a handheld vacuum, allowing users to clean furniture, stairs, and tight corners with ease. The lightweight frame improves maneuverability, especially when cleaning under furniture or along edges. The filtration system captures fine dust and allergens, making it suitable for allergy-sensitive households. While the dust cup is not the largest, it is easy to empty and maintain. Overall, this model is a strong performer for everyday home cleaning, with excellent pet hair control.
Product number 2. Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner NEN110A. The Eureka Whirlwind NEN110A is a compact and budget-friendly bagless canister vacuum designed for both carpets and hard floors. Unlike stick vacuums, its canister design provides improved airflow and dust capacity, making it ideal for users who need longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. It features a lightweight build, allowing users to carry it easily between rooms or upstairs. The swivel steering hose helps improve maneuverability, especially around furniture and tight spaces. Its multi-surface capability allows smooth transitions between rugs, tiles, and hardwood floors. One of its strongest benefits is the washable filter system, which reduces long-term maintenance costs. The dust container is also simple to empty with a single button release. However, it may feel less modern compared to stick vacuum designs. Overall, it is a reliable and efficient cleaning machine for users who prefer canister-style vacuums with strong suction and easy maintenance.
Product number 3. Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum. The Shark Rocket Ultralight is designed for users who want powerful suction in a compact and easy-to-handle form factor. Its corded design ensures continuous power, making it suitable for cleaning entire homes without performance drop. This vacuum excels on carpets, rugs, and hard floors, providing strong suction that lifts embedded dirt effectively. It also converts into a handheld unit, making it ideal for cleaning upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. Its swivel steering system enhances maneuverability, allowing smooth navigation around furniture legs and tight corners. The lightweight body reduces fatigue, even during extended cleaning sessions. While the dust cup is moderately sized, it is easy to detach and clean. It also includes useful attachments that improve versatility for different surfaces. Overall, this model is a solid all-arounder for everyday household cleaning.
Product number 4. Shark Rocket Pet Plus Corded Stick Vacuum. The Shark Rocket Pet Plus is built specifically for pet owners who need strong suction and reliable hair removal performance. It features a powerful motorized brush roll that lifts pet hair from carpets, rugs, and upholstery with ease. One of its standout features is the LED headlights, which help reveal hidden dust, debris, and pet hair in dark corners and under furniture. This improves cleaning accuracy significantly. The XL Dust Cup is another advantage, allowing longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. It also converts into a handheld vacuum, making it useful for stairs, furniture, and tight spaces. The vacuum maintains strong suction throughout operation due to its corded design, ensuring consistent performance. While slightly heavier than ultralight models, it compensates with better durability and cleaning power. Overall, it's a great choice for pet-heavy households.
Product number 5. Shark HV371 Rocket Pro DLX Corded Stick Vacuum Fuchsia.
The Shark HV371 Rocket Pro DLX is a premium corded stick vacuum designed for users who want advanced cleaning performance with multiple accessories. It includes an XL dust cup, crevice cool, upholstery tool, and anti-allergen dusting capabilities, making it highly versatile. Its advanced swivel steering allows smooth movement around furniture and tight spaces, improving cleaning efficiency. The removable hand vacuum adds flexibility for above-floor cleaning, such as curtains, shelves, and car interiors. The suction power is strong and consistent, suitable for both carpets and hard floors. Its anti-allergen dust system helps trap fine particles, making it ideal for allergy-sensitive environments. Despite its strong performance, it remains lightweight and easy to handle. The bright fuchsia color also gives it a modern and stylish appearance. Overall, this model is feature-rich and ideal for deep cleaning tasks.
Product number 6. Black & Decker Power Series Plus 20V Max Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Black & Decker Power Series Plus is a cordless stick vacuum designed for users who prioritize portability and convenience. Powered by a 20V Max battery system, it eliminates the need for a cord, allowing unrestricted movement during cleaning. It features LED floor lights that illuminate hidden dirt and dust, especially in low-light areas. The bagless design makes maintenance simple, with an easy-to-empty dust container. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry across rooms and floors, while its multi-surface cleaning capability ensures performance on both carpets and hard floors. The vacuum also adjusts suction power automatically depending on surface type to optimize battery usage. While runtime is limited compared to corded models, it is ideal for quick daily cleaning tasks. Overall, it is a convenient and modern cleaning solution for small to medium homes.
Choosing the best corded stick vacuum depends on your cleaning needs: pet hair control, deep carpet cleaning, or lightweight daily use. Shark models dominate in suction power and versatility, while Eureka offers budget-friendly canister efficiency. Corded vacuums excel in consistent performance, making them ideal for uninterrupted whole home cleaning.